U.S. futures, they're rebounding after closing mixed on Friday as the combination of shares in energy, semiconductors, and semiconductor equipment, as well as tech, hardware, and equipment sectors, they managed to fall under the most pressure, while the combination of shares in automobiles and components, that sector, gained the most, all as 73% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged on Friday. Shifting focus now to after-hours action, Verizon Communications is now nearing a $5 billion deal to sell its media business to Apollo Global Management. This reported by Bloomberg, citing people familiar with the matter. Moving on, Dell Technologies also in the headlines as it may sell its booming cloud business to private equity firms Francisco Partners and TPG for $4 billion US. This according to a report from Dow Jones. Now, taking a look at today's market action. In terms of expectations, there's no major earnings expected, while on the economic docket just after the opening bell, 9:45 in the morning, we have the release of market manufacturing PMI. 10 o'clock in the morning, we have ISM manufacturing prices, and at the same time in the afternoon hours, we do have Fed Chairman Jerome Powell having a speech. Taking a look now at the markets. This morning, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a bullish bias above 4167, and that's in focus. The relative strength index lacks momentum, and long positions above 4167 are favored, with targets at 4211 and 4235 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, intraday, that has its support around 13,820. This while the Dow Jones intraday, that continues to target 34,143.